Hello guys, what is going on? Today is a very special video. I am giving away a smartphone to you guys. But which smartphone? You're gonna find out next month. But I promise you, it is gonna be a smartphone that came out this year and one that's gonna have good specs and it's gonna perform well. Something that anyone can enjoy. I mean, it's not gonna be like a Galaxy Note 20 or S20 or any expensive flagship like that. It's gonna be more or less around the phones that I review, like let's say, a Yuma DJ device, Blackview, Xiaomi, around those lines. And the phone's gonna be worth between $150 and $300. It's gonna have at least 2 or 4 gigs of RAM, between 32 and 128 gigs of storage. This is gonna be a great smartphone, something that I believe is gonna hold for at least 2 years or 3 years. And all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. The winner will be picked on August 31st. So good luck guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.